Gap, give, go. 5 to 10 minutes from the open. From open. Okay, the price action. If this is the open, let's assume this is the open right there. The price action should be, you can have a wick up, but the best ones will have a move lower, right? And we'll just draw line charts just to see, okay? So what's happening in that first move lower? Sustained selling pressure, right? Then what do we expect from the gap give and go? Some level of support, right? Some level of interest that we think should be there, and we're seeing that level of interest matters because the buyers are stepping in, correct? Okay, so I'll draw bars to make it easier, okay? So this is a bar. This is a bar. These aren't very good. I got to get better at this. This is a bar, right? Okay, so let's assume it's 3 bars down, right? Then what do we expect? We expect to see some sort of balancing price action. So maybe this one has a little doji, or has a couple wicks. Maybe we get a little one up here with a wick down, and then maybe a little one down here with a wick down. But what's happening for the most part at that point? The price action is relatively controlled, right? You could easily draw an area of support and an area of resistance. What's happening from the supply and demand dynamics that are occurring? We're seeing very clear demand and very identifiable supply. This creates the trade for us. Our bet in the gap give and go is that the demand is going to sustain and the supply is going to diminish. Think about that one more time. Our bet in the gap give and go is that the demand is going to sustain and the supply that caused that down move is going to diminish. That would result in price action that clears this area, trades up, 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 has one pull in, right? Maybe a sustained pull in, and then continues higher. Because that demand outweighs the supply. It's not a support and resistance trade as much. We use support and resistance levels as a guide, but it's a supply and demand trade. The best ones show this point of balance right in here, and they show them very cleanly. And we get to go with the battle when the battle's done.